So hello everyone, my name is Kevin. So my point of view was on how a company can influence sales when they have a limited marketing budget. That was done on behalf of Duni, the leading market for tabletop settings. So I will give a brief overview of the presentation. First, we're going to analyze the challenge. How do we generate sales and what does it mean to have a limited budget? Then we will provide a solution, which will be augmented reality. And then we will give implementation of augmented reality on the 3 target markets of Duni, which is home, restaurant, hotel, and catering. And then we'll formulate my conclusion. So the challenge was to generate sales when you have a limited budget. What does it mean to generate sales? Is it to expand and enhance your customer base? Expand by appealing to new customers and enhance to allowing old customers to buy new products from Duni. This has to be done within the boundaries of resources, so we have to keep the cost of advertising low. So differentiate from competition in an original fashion. What is the solution to this problem? Augmented reality. The concept of augmented reality is enhancing a real-time environment by overlaying 3D images on that environment. This is used by a link code, a 2D marker, and this is the code which gives the 3D image its place. So some consumers are able to view or experience something that looks to be in place but isn't physically there. The code is there, but the product isn't. So how do you use it? A consumer aims his webcam, his smartphone, actually anything that has a camera and internet connection to the code. That is decoded by the application on the smartphone or PC, and this renders the 3D images in place. So the consumers can watch his or her real-time environment through the display of their screen and see their environment, but actually where the marker is, there is a 3D object. So what are the advantages? It's easy to use. Anyone with a webcam, anyone with a PC and an internet connection can use it. It has a high interaction rate because it allows the consumer to see products, to feel products in the comfort of their own home, in a setting of their own home. It's very adaptive because when a new product comes out, you don't have to start an old new campaign, you just can implement it into the application of Duni. It has a low cost because once the development of the application is made, that is virtually the only cost, which is, after some research, is approximately the same as 5 or 6 print ad runs in an international magazine. It's cutting edge. It allows the company to align with next generation technology, and Duni is willing to win. It wants to be with that new technology. And it's durable. When it's made, it can keep be used. What are disadvantages? It's artificial. It remains a 3D rendering of a real product, so the touch and the feel are gone. You only have a 3D image. Unknown. It's beginning to see in papers, in shops, the 3D code, the QR codes, the 2D markers are beginning to appear everywhere, but people don't know what the next step is. How to use this, how to use this code. And bugs, as it is still in the first stage, the application can backfire and cause a whiplash, which the consumers say this doesn't work, what is this? So now the implementation. For the first was catering and takeaway, it's very important for Duni, is by applying a 2D marker, they can actually immediately, a customer, a client can see this is what I need, this is the size, this is how I can use it. So by pointing the marker at their PC, they can automatically see it's this big, I can put that in it, I can use it for that, this. Home, so consumers can print several 2D markers from the website. They can choose a setting, a trendy, classical. They can print those markers and place them on their table, sorry people. By then running it through the application, they can see how it fits in their own home and not in a perfect setting made by the shop, so it would look glamorous. Your home isn't like the shop, so it has to be at home. So at this point you can see, all right, this is how my table would look like in my home, in my field. Then restaurant hotel is especially important for the sales force, because now you go to a client, you say, Hilton, we want to do your setting for your tables. You bring 2, 3, 4 products maybe, you can show them, you can touch and feel them, but with this technology, it's a laptop and a few markers, and a company can instantly see how it would work in their environment, and directly see, this is how I like it, this is how I want it. So what is the conclusion? The use of augmented reality brings a company's products to its home, which is one, it emphasizes on interaction, which is of growing importance in purchase behavior. So it is the #1 solution for companies to generate sales with a limited marketing budget. I thank you for your time, and if there are any questions, I'm happy to answer them.